This video is based from an article by Laura M. on BitDegree. Altcoins. What are altcoins? Right now, there are more than 1,000 altcoins in existence. But don't let the numbers scare you. The majority of altcoins are just alternative versions of Bitcoin with minor changes. That is how they got the name altcoins. It is important to understand, though, that not all altcoins are just alternate versions of Bitcoin. There are some that are very, very different from Bitcoin and have very different goals or purposes. Some altcoins use different algorithms from Bitcoin. For example, Factom is an altcoin that uses proof of stake. In proof of stake, there are no miners. Instead, there are stakers. Stakers are people that verify transactions for rewards, just like miners. But instead of racing to verify a block before anyone else does, they are selected one by one to take their turn. This uses less electricity because they aren't thousands of miners using their electricity to try and verify the same block. Instead, there is just one staker per block. Do you see? Not all altcoins are similar to Bitcoin. In fact, Ethereum and Neo are examples of altcoins that are super different from Bitcoin. You know that Bitcoin is used as a digital currency, right? Well, Ethereum and Neo were not designed to be used as digital currency. Instead, they were designed as huge platforms for building apps on a blockchain. That's right, on Ethereum and Neo, you can actually build your own application. This is the most common way that new cryptocurrencies are created. They are made on blockchains like Ethereum and Neo. This is all possible because Ethereum introduced new technology to the crypto world when it launched in 2015. This technology is called a smart contract. A smart contract can automatically execute transactions when certain things happen. These things, called conditions, are written into the smart contract when it is created. For example, a condition could be something like, when Peter sends 120 Ether to the smart contract, then John's house will be sent to Peter. Because of smart contracts, no third party is needed. Bitcoin means there is no third party needed in direct payments. But smart contract means there is no third party needed in trading things, like the sale of a house, the sale of electricity, or the sale of stock on the stock market. Of course, you can't actually put electricity into the smart contract. So, instead, you put a token into the smart contract that legally represents the electricity. This is one of the best things about smart contracts on Ethereum, Neo, and other altcoins. You can tokenize real things and put them in the blockchain. So there you have it. A short explanation about altcoins. I hope that you found value in this video. This was part 5 of a 6-video series. So go ahead and watch the first part of the series if you haven't yet. See ya!